Hello friends, let's sing phonics song together. Annie apple says A. Bouncing bench says B. Clever cat says K. Dippy duck says D. Addy elephant says A. Fireman Fred says F. Golden girl says G. Harry Hatman says H. Ippy Ink says E. Jumping Jim says J. Kicking King says K. Lady Lamb says L. Munching Mike says Naughty Nike says N. Oscar Orange says O. Poor Peter says P. Quarrel Queen says Qua. Robert Red says R. Sammy Snake says S. Ticking Tom says T. Uppy Umbrella says A. Voice of Violin says V. Wicked Water says V. Maxon says X. Yellow Yo-Yo Man says Y. Zigzag Zebra says Z.